Best 3D DIY wall clock review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the best selling 3D wall clocks in the market and discuss some of the features of what makes this DIY clock so popular. Also in this video, we'll show you a quick demo clip of how to set up this clock in your home like a professional in no time. The one that we like the best is the Likeable 3D wall clock. The frame and hands of this wall clock is made of high-grade aluminum alloy, and the time indicators are made from water-resistant, eco-friendly foam stickers. The pointers for the hour and minute hands are long and elegantly designed. The best part is, this clock uses just a simple AA battery that you can find in any hardware store, and you can put it up on any wall in your house that you prefer. To check out the full specs of the Likeable 3D wall clock and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/DIY3D clock. Here's a quick video demo of how to set up this clock. So there you have it, the Likeable 3D DIY wall clock. If you want a clock like this for your own home, you can check out this clock's description and check out its current price at bit.ly/DIY3D clock. Alright, thank you for watching.